Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. This is our fifth lesson, and in this video, we'll learn a super time-saving and powerful function in Excel, Flash Fill. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do it now. And if you're watching on Facebook, make sure to follow our page for all upcoming lessons. Let's jump in without any delay. To demonstrate Flash Fill, we've prepared some sample data, and we'll complete 3 amazing tasks using it. Task 1. We'll extract the first name, last name, and create a Gmail address. First, type the desired result for the first row manually. Then simply press Ctrl+E, and boom! Excel understands the pattern and fills it down for you. Task 2. Let's use the Flash Fill button from the Home tab. Just type the first value. Then go to the Home tab and click Flash Fill. Simple, smart, efficient. Now for Task 3. Splitting product details. Type the first row manually, break it into color, product, and code. Then, just press Ctrl+E again for each column. And that's how Flash Fill can save hours of work with just a few keystrokes. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your family and friends who work on Excel every day. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson video.